Hey, what's going on, guys? We're just gonna go through the Matco flyer real quick. This is the first time I've had one in a while, so I figured we'd go ahead and shoot through and see what kind of deals they got. This is the flyer for 6/22 to 7/14. The front cover deal is large capacity rivet nut kit. Comes in at $162.50. Flip the first page here. On the top they got fast change riveter kit. Comes in at $112.50. And they got the Beast Jack. It's a 3.5 ton floor jack. It comes in at $369.50. Now, if you see my video, the 5 tools professionals should be using from Harbor Freight, I would just use the Daytona Jack. I honestly think that is a professional quality jack. I've never had any problems with it. I've jacked up my car and left it for long periods, and it's never it's never showed me any problems. In my opinion, it's a great jack. Next page, we have airlift cooling system air purge kit. Comes in at $237.50. Comes with everything pictured there. Down here we got cooling system filler for use with adapters. Save $34, $195.50. Same thing here, $195.50. Cooling system refiller for large trucks, $347.95. And we got the Matco Flex Fit Hat. I actually wanted to buy this. I just came from the Matco truck and I figured I'd shoot this video real quick before I take a shower. Then I'm gonna come back out and finish up the other videos I'm shooting. It's gonna be a good one. Stay tuned, man. Something really surprising happens that is going to shock a lot of people and make a lot of people happy and make a lot of people mad. So you might want to stick around. I'll probably be posting that one. It probably won't be this week. It'll probably be next week sometime because I already have a video taped in front of that video. So I'm going to post that video this weekend. Then the shocking video will be next week sometime. So make sure if you ain't hit that bell, hit the bell, man. I think you're going to like it. Then we got here, rechargeable stick light. Now, I bought the Braun light from Harbor Freight, and I've actually run into a few problems with that a year later. I thought about doing a video to talk about those problems and to see if anybody else had those problems. But this one here comes in at $112.50, so you can see it is pretty expensive. Down here, we got the TPMS installation toolkit. Comes in at $224.95. You can see, comes with all its pictured here. And over here we have a winch. It's a Champion winch. It's a 4,700 pound winch, and the price comes in at $214.95. Then we got a 3,000 PSI Champion pressure washer, $574.95. Then over here we got the Champion 3,650 watt generator. Comes in at $149.95. Then down here they had the Autodarkening welding helmets. I actually thought about this, but I have a good welding helmet. If I didn't, I would probably consider this. They come in at $272.50, and you can see the designs. They have the Canadian and the American. Now, obviously, I would choose the American. If you're a Canadian, maybe you would choose the Canadian unless you wanted to jump ship and come over here to the winning side. No, I'm just playing. But they are pretty nice. I like them. Now we got the Harley-Davidson Piston bottle opener. $23.50. I like that bottle opener. I don't know if it's worth $23. Then you got the Harley-Davidson shot glasses. I love some shot glasses. And we got a clear spill-free funnel with lid. 5 adapters coming at $45.50. It is actually a good idea to have a funnel like that to prevent spills, man, because if you're like me, I spill everything every time. It doesn't matter. So they are worth the investment, particularly if you're in a shop. You definitely want to use something like that. Then they got the Pitman Puller Set here, $222.95. That's pretty expensive. I think better be pretty heavy duty for that price. I've used the one from Harbor Freight, and it actually worked pretty good for me. And I can't say I have any complaints about it, and it's not expensive at all. Then we got some air drills here. $364.95 for the 1/2 inch drive, and 3/8 drive is $291.95. So if you're interested in the air drill, I probably wouldn't spend that much, but if you're in a shop with air and you use a drill, those are handy to have. I would just prefer to go cordless, but everybody has their own preference to go with, so whatever floats your boat. Now we got the 4-piece abrasive block kit here, $32.50. And we got the body mold trimming tool, $35.50. 3-piece long panel clip remover set, $102.50. Pretty expensive. And we got the Oakleys. I was asking him about Oakleys. He said they run about $150 to $250 or so, depending on which ones you want to get. I don't know if I'd spend that much on sunglasses because I would probably lose them. I'm bad with stuff like that. I left a pair at a girl's house not too long ago, and I haven't even bought a set back to replace them. I'll never see them again. Be the envy of your shop. This is a tool grid for organizing tools. Now, I actually do want to do a video about organizing toolboxes, and so that would be pretty nice to check out. $165.95. Maybe by the time I get to the video, maybe I'll buy it just to check it out for you guys. I think it'd be pretty neat to check out all the different options about organizing toolboxes and to talk about the different types of people that have tools and the way they organize their boxes. Got the Matco toolbox. I'm not sure which one it is, probably 56-inch maybe. I was actually looking at the toolboxes. You know, I like snap-on toolboxes, but I tell you what, I think Matco has, I love Matco toolboxes. Now, I don't know if I could ever make myself spend that much money on a toolbox, but if I ever decided to, then I would probably go with Matco. Their toolboxes are probably the best in my opinion, but not saying that they're so much better than Snap-on, but I just like the looks of them better and the quality's about the same, so I would just probably go with Matco if I ever decided, and if I did ever decide, it would be a miracle because that's a lot of money to invest in a box that holds your tools. Then we got the 1/4-inch torque wrench here, 72 tooth, $261.50. It is fixed head, 10 to 50 inch-pounds of torque, so that's for something smaller. That'd be more ideal for you to use. I don't even have a 1/4-inch torque wrench, but I probably would like to have one. And I don't know if I'd spend $261, but that's something that I think I probably should get at some time. And we got the 3-piece extra long 11-inch green plier set for $149.95. They're 11 inches long, as you can see here. It's pretty expensive, $50 per plier. Now, I actually was talking to him about buying a set of this, but I need the metric set, but I do need a stubby ratcheting wrench set. So you can see here that comes at $175.95. It's a 7-piece set. It's pretty expensive. Probably go with a Gearwrench set, and it probably pretty similar in quality for a lot less money, which is probably what I would do at some point, maybe. I haven't decided yet. And we got the 5-piece long tapered drift punch set, $155.50. Then we got the 13-inch compound 2-piece long nose set for $76.95. And we got the 1/4-inch drive 72 tooth micro fixed ratchet, $60.95. It's a 3-inch long ratchet. I probably would like to have that. That would be pretty nice. Then we got the ratcheting hose clamp plier set. Those are really nice. I actually need a set, so I might consider purchasing that at some time. I'll probably wait for it to come back on sale because I'm at my limit right now. I just spent too much money tonight, so I'm at my limit for a while. I'm gonna get it paid down before I even think about buying anything else. Then we got the Matco Tools Basic Multimeter, $99.50. Relay Bypass Combo Switch Set, $73.50. Digital Battery Tester with Printer, $487.50. 11-piece Back Pro Pins and Alligator Clip Set, $35.50. And we got the Vacuum and Fuel Pump Tester Kit. It comes in at $61.50. And we got the 3 lead by 10 foot retractable lead, $19.95. 3-piece thread restore file set. Now, I tell you what, that's something worth buying in my opinion. You can save yourself a lot of trouble, a lot of cross-threaded bolts by just chasing those threads before you start bolting things back down. It takes a little time, but it'll save you a lot of headache in the long run. So that's something that I would probably, if I would have seen that, I may have just went ahead and tacked that on. Then we got the connector cleaner master set for $97.95. And we got 3 tweezers here, $35.95. It's pretty expensive for 3 pairs of tweezers. Diamond Micro round files, $52.50. Clean out electrical connectors and whatnot. It'd be pretty nice to have. LED circuit tester, 6 to 12 volt and 24 volt, $39.95. And I almost asked him about these Yeti cups here. I would kind of like to have this Yeti cup. My other Yeti cup was stolen, so I no longer have that. So I do need a Yeti cup, and that would be pretty nice to have. And only $43.95. That's only $13 more, I think, than the regular price anyway. So, and I would get it on credit, so it would be worth it to me. And the beer can holder, I actually had one of those too. I think that was stolen too. I have no idea what happened to it. 10 ounce low ball, black, $34.95. The beer cooler's $34.95. Then we got the clothes over here. We seen before the t-shirts are $19.95 for medium to extra large, and double X to triple X is $25.95. So if you're bigger, you're gonna pay more. This is my work shirt. Probably wouldn't mind having that. Now I actually like that shirt right there. It's a flag shirt, comes in $24.85 up to extra large and $30 for double X, triple X. I like it though, it's a pretty nice shirt. And you got the women's shirt here, long sleeve, $27.95, double X, $31.95. We got the polo shirt, $42.95, double X, $54.95. Then we got the Deuce Pocket t-shirt, $22.95 and $28.95. It's a nice shirt. Then on the back we got the 1/2 inch, 18.5 inch, 88 tooth locking flex head chrome ratchet, $189.50. Save $33. And we have the breaker bars here, the chrome breaker bars. You got the 1/2 inch for $104.95 and the 3/8 for $63.95. So that's going to be it. We're going to make this real quick. I'll try to edit it and cut out as much as I possibly can. I appreciate you guys watching. We're going to get to the next video. We're going to be posting another video this weekend. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you went down and subscribed. I'll be doing more videos like this, tool reviews, tips, tricks, projects, anything and everything. So subscribe down below. You might learn something. You might teach me something, man. I appreciate you watching. Until next time, man, take it easy.